Right, here we have my Kawasaki 1985 EN454 with mufflers. We're going to do an exhaust swap on it. It has the mufflers on there. Not sure if they're original or from another bike, but it does have custom stainless steel headers on there already. We're going to remove those, so I'll show you what it sounds like with these on. We'll take them off. We're going to just put a bit of straight through tube on there, 44 mil. And that'll sit straight on the outside. So I'll see what it sounds like with the original aftermarket slash mufflers. Alright, so that's pretty epoxy. Remove these. So now I just got to cut straight off. We'll start it up. Alright, and then we're going to fit these other pipes onto it and we'll see what it sounds like after. Weld those up and probably slash cut them.